Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonoluwa Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Joel, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, this is another wonderful day, a beautiful Wednesday. Guys, don't forget today we'll be having our mass adoption training with the yours truly, they had me, being co-anchored by uh, Mr. Carol Dacha. So, guys, come on board. Come on board. Come and learn. Come and learn. Come and learn. Mass adoption training has always been a wonderful time with the admin, a time of discussing about the policy, the progress, and everything that has to do with the TBC. So, guys, come on board. Guys, don't forget the Billion Coin is a community of freedom, love, joy, happiness, thankfulness, abundance, love, where respect is a call to every member. So, guys, now this afternoon, I just want to do a quick update on the blog. Guys, guess what? TBCians should never complain about the KLUV chart. Many of us, but we follow the charts religiously, and as a result of that, they have been complaining. Guys, no, we should not. We should not. If you see, the chart is very, very bullish. Yeah, and that is what we want. It is to our own betterment. So, guys, don't complain about it. Now, the number one reason why television should never complain about the KLUV charges, they may have a negative impact on the price of KLUV if their complaints catch on among the traders of KLUV. Don't forget, there are many traders online who don't even know about TBC. But the moment they see a prospect in a coin, they put in their money and trade it. As a result of that, boosting the coin. So, guys, do not complain about the KLUV coin, about the chart any longer. As a TBCian, don't you want the price to be as sustainable high as possible in 2023? Because of the March. Right now, as I write this article, there are more traders that own KLUV than there are TBCians. Wow. These traders are bullish right now and believe KLUV will keep going up. Don't we want them to keep believing that from now on? Show your fellows tribulations that makes any complaint about KLUV. Markets move more on rumors than they move on news. Just keep everything said about KLUV as positive thing. Never a thing that spreads doubt. It is just stupid to fight to lower your own paycheck. Wow. 2023 is a payday for all TBCians. So, guys, let's keep the spirit high. Complaints are hitting my ears that TBCians are saying the KLUV whales are moving the KLUV price. Come on, guys. Every single coin in the coin market cap are moved by the whales of those coins. It is also true that most of the whales on all of those coins are the creators of those coins. This should be obvious. KLUV whales have been wise. The price of KLUV started at $1 on day one. The price of KLUV has gone up each week. We 24 times, 24x today. The angle of the upward incline of the KLUV price chart is equal to the incline of the holders of KLUV. That means the price is sustainable long term. As long as we don't scare the traders away from KLUV, let's be smart. Guys, let us be smart. As a TBCian, paying your program fee for TBC in Bitcoin Cash, did you care what the price was? What the price was of Bitcoin Cash? No, because the price doesn't matter. You will buy enough Bitcoin Cash so you could pay the fee, and that is all that matters. The price of KLUV today is much lower than the price of Bitcoin Cash. So why should you care? You shouldn't care, just like you didn't care what the price of Bitcoin Cash was all these years. KLUV is the new crypto we are using to pay our fee monthly. If you are a trader, you will get what you deserve. Bad traders lose and good traders win. If you lose, blame yourself. Your trading of KLOV will never be bigger than your 2023 payday with KLOV. So don't do or say anything that could have a negative impact on the price of KLOV. The thing that makes KLOV so strong is is it it is it is tied to the monthly commitment of TBCians paying their monthly program fee. The number of TBCians paying those fees is going to keep getting bigger and bigger so that we have a direct positive impact on the buying volume monthly of KLOV. Naturally, we can expect the price to keep going up. Also, the KLOV creator has been pulling funds out regularly to support our goodwill efforts. $30,000 has already been raised. When the KLOV creator sells, the creator is adding KLOV to the PancakeSwap liquidity pool to stabilize the price. No one wants the liquidity pool to suffer from impermanent loss due to lack of KLOV in the pool. So let's just keep it positive when it comes to KLOV. The KLOV wills now knows what is best long term. Guys, this is a straight word from the TBC admin to all members of the Kringle community. Guys, let us keep every talk about KLOV positive. About KLOV, let's keep it positive. We should ensure that indeed we say good things about KLOV. KLOV to the moon. Don't forget the least we are expecting KLOV to get to is $100 by January 2023. And by then, that is when we cash in our paychecks in KLOV. So guys, this is the update from the TBC admin the blog. So guys, don't forget, let's keep on sharing the gifts. How? Ask people to come in to join the community. Let's continue to build. Let's continue to build. Let's continue to build. Thank you guys. Don't forget, if you're here to subscribe to this channel, click on that bell by your right hand side. Subscribe to it so that you always get an update whenever any video is being posted online. You get a first hand notification right on time. And don't forget, give this a thumb up. Thank you. I love you. And if you are new to the Kringle community, check below this video. You will see a link there. Click on that link, register, subscribe, and contact me either through our Telegram chat groups or through the number there to give you a proper guidance on how to go about it. Thank you. Bless you. Cheers.